Welcome back to another video. So we're going to do a quick and easy little gel polish design today. Literally just using some stickers and a dotting tool really. Look at the stickers. Pink Panther. I've been dying to use these for over a year. So I've pulled out my Umikk gels today. Those two are the two I couldn't decide between for my nail bed. And these two I couldn't decide between for my kind of little leopard print thingies. But I did know that I needed a white. So I'm going to start by giving all these tips a base coat. This is for that one person that hates me wasting my products. I'm going to base coat everything from now on. I just feel like my gel polish goes on smoother over a base coat. That's the reason I base coat my tips. And to piss that person off that calls me a product waster. So this Umikk base coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to start by getting my base colours down. So I'm going to start with white. And I quickly realised I shouldn't have put white on this pinky. It was supposed to be on the other end. Didn't really matter, but you'll see me switch them around in a minute. So I'll let you watch me getting all these base colours down. And these curing the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So I'm going to put matte top coat on two of these nails that I'm going to paint a nail bed. Kind of, yeah, they're just going to be your kind of standard French tip, I think you call it. Yeah, and I just find it easier to keep it neater on a matte top coat. So again, that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've put some of the white on my palette and I'm just using a little detailer brush. And I just draw a little line there, just so I've got a starting point, just so I know where I'm starting from. And yeah, I just do two little curved lines going up on each side. And once you're happy and you feel like you've got each side identical, I will just fill in the edges with my detailer brush, because obviously I can't get a gel brush up into them corners. So I needed some more white on my palette. So I'm just stuck a little bit more white on my palette. So I'm just going to fill in them corners with my detailer brush. And then I'll use a gel brush to fill in the rest of the nail. And that's going to get cured for 30 seconds as well. You can just use the brush out the bottle, but I didn't want to waste what was still left on my palette. So I just used a gel brush out of my collection to fill the rest of the nail in. So that's both of those nails done. So with these stickers, I'm just going to put one on the middle nail, one on the next nail. My camera stopped recording, guys. I'm so sorry. But all I've done is they are just stickers. I have just stuck them on exactly where I want. And just rub them in with your finger or a silicone tool. Make sure they're completely flat. Now, I'm just using a dotting tool to do some leopard spots. The stickers did have leopard spots on it, but there wasn't a lot on there and I was scared of running out. So I thought I'll just paint some freehand. So I am literally just doing little splodges with the pink with my dotting tool. I'm going to completely cover this nail around the sticker. Yeah, don't make them round, just make them kind of round, just splodges, all different shapes, slightly different sizes. And that's going to get cured for 30 seconds as well. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other nail with the stickers. I've done that one off camera. And these two with the French tip, I'm just going to do a couple of splodges up next to the smile line there on that one. And the other French tip, I'm just going to do a couple of splodges just towards the tip area, just so they weren't identical. And once I'm happy with all them, I'm going to use the other end of the dotting tool, which is just a really skinny one, and use the black and just start outlining all these little splodges. Again, I'm just going to show you this one nail. Just start doing, yeah, just little borders, little letter C's around the splodges. And then you'll see I just put some random little black splodges in between all those as well. And then they are going to get cured for 30 seconds. Right, now, I couldn't decide what to do on this ring finger, so I thought I'm just going to paint it pink and stick a cute little bow on. I've got a bow that's perfect for this set. So I'm just going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And these nails that I've got the leopard print on, they're quite lumpy bumpy. So I'm going to give them a nice generous layer of top coat, just so that I can buff them and get them nice and smooth. So, as always, I couldn't decide between glossy or matte. So I thought I'll flip a coin, but I didn't have any coins. They were all downstairs. So we're going to flip a love heart. So if it comes out on that side, it's going to be matte. If it comes out blank, it's going to be glossy. So let's flip it. What's it going to be? Blank. So we're going with glossy. So we're going to get these finished, give them a nice glossy top coat. And I've pulled out a little bow charm that I'm going to put on that plain nail as well. So this is the little bow I've pulled out. How perfect is that for this design? So that's from Charlie's Nail Art. I've got a 10% code for Charlie's, guys. It's always in my description box with all my other codes and links to websites. Now I'm just putting this into the top coat because I'll take it back off. But obviously if these were on your own nails, you'd need to use a strong rhinestone glue, or you can use a clear polygel. But yeah, I'm just curing that into the top coat. How cute are they? I really like them. I really like them. I think they is well cute. Anyway guys, that is it for today. A really nice, simple, easy and quick gel polish design. I think anybody could have a go at that. Also guys, remember me, myself and Just Your Nail Addict, I've got a nice giveaway going on. If you're not entered to that already, I'll leave the video to that linked in my description box. But yeah, that is it guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. Hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care. Bye.